Yes, I'm starting again. It's been a while. I lost consistency. Yes, I did. Not because I didn't care, but because I just did not have a system that I could sustain. I was creating behind the scenes, doing a lot, but I was overwhelmed with a whole lot of things. Of course, life happens and a lot has happened. In addition to that, I didn't have a system that worked. And during that time, I did a lot of reflecting. And one thing became very clear to me. A lot of us are not lacking effort, because if it was to do with the effort, no problem. Sometimes we lack intention. We're doing things, but we're not always in alignment. We're moving, but not always in the right direction. And that's what this next chapter is about. I'm launching a new series called the Intentional Life Podcast, where I will be having real conversations, people with specific experiences to share with us. We're going to be talking about all things mindset, discipline, growth, relationships, purpose, practically everything and anything you can think of that would help us to become the best version of ourselves. Not perfectly, but intentionally. You still get my personal vlogs, my reflections. I have a whole lot of backup vlogs that I have not brought to you guys, so it will come at some point. But on top of that, you're going to get these deeper conversations that I will be having with people, just sharing life experiences, real, practical, chilled, relaxed conversation that we can all learn from. So if you've been on this journey with me, thank you for staying. Thank you for staying. And if you're new here, you're welcome. If I didn't say it, my name is Araya, aka Mrs. A. So this time, we're not just showing up, we're showing up with intention. I think that's it from me. I'm going to love you and leave you. I'll see you in my next video. You look after yourself. Bye-bye.